Choose correct answers related to food. Let's start. What's Arabic word for bread? لحم. فاكهة. خبز. Correct answer is خبز. What does ma mean in English? Meat, water, milk. Correct answer is water. What's Arabic word for fruit? خبز. فاكهة. لحم. Correct answer is فاكهة. What's Arabic word for milk? حليب. فاكهة. خبز. Correct answer is حليب. What does عسل mean in English? Fish, sugar, honey. Correct answer is honey. What's the Arabic word for cake? فاكهة. cake. خبز. Correct answer is cake. What does بيض mean in English? Eggs, fish, vegetables. Correct answer is eggs. What does عصير mean in English? Juice, coffee, tea. Correct answer is juice. What does chai mean in English? Tea, coffee, juice. Correct answer is tea. What does qahwa mean in English? Tea, coffee, juice. Correct answer is coffee. What's Arabic word for pizza? Pizza, فطيرة, cake. Correct answer is pizza. What does samak mean in English? Meat, fish, bread. Correct answer is fish. أراكم قريبا. See you soon. مع السلامة.